This upgraded ultrasonic retainer cleaner machine is a compact option for cleaning a variety of everyday personal items. It uses 45 kilohertz ultrasonic technology and has a 200 milliliter capacity, giving you a convenient space for items like retainers, night guards, aligners, removable braces, toothbrush heads, and even small jewelry pieces. I like the versatility here because one machine can be used for several different items instead of being limited to just retainers. The compact black design also makes it easy to keep on a bathroom counter without taking up much space. Simply place a compatible item inside and use the machine as directed for a convenient cleaning routine. If you're looking for an easy-to-use ultrasonic cleaner with a compact design and multiple everyday uses, this is a practical option to consider.